Hi, I'm back in the kitchen. Just thought I'd pop in with a very, very quick and tasty little appetizer. I don't know what you want to call them, but you need crackers, you need some thin bacon, and you need some Parmesan cheese and maybe some cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes if you choose. Okay, so grab your cookie sheet, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna place your crackers onto your cookie sheet, salted side down, and make sure when you're using cheese, you definitely wanna use parchment paper because it makes the cleanup so much easier. From there, it's really simple. You're gonna take small slices of bacon, put them onto your crackers. On top of that, you are going to put flakes of Parmesan cheese, and then you are going to sprinkle with cayenne pepper. Okay, I've turned my oven on to 425, so preheat your oven to 425. I have placed bacon on every one of these little crackers, and it doesn't matter what kind of cracker you choose. And of course, that's how you cut your bacon, to the size of the cracker. They have their little slices of Parmesan cheese, and I have sprinkled mine with cayenne pepper. Be very cautious when using cayenne pepper. I mean, unless your palate can handle the heat. So into the oven they go for 5 minutes at 425. Okay, so here we are. If you've got guests coming over, you need something really fast and tasty. Whether it's for the football game, curling, goodness knows, whatever sport, you can make these in just minutes. So again, Parmesan cheese, bacon by the cheap kind, thin sliced, and your favorite crackers, and either cayenne pepper or red chili flakes. They are so good, don't eat them all by yourself. Well, maybe you should. I'm Jacquie from 360 Alberta, so welcome to my kitchen. Challenge is out to Karen. What's your next appetizer?